in Imtex this year, we have at Light Mechanics, we have displayed our three most innovative machines which we have built for the first time in India. And those are laser cross welders, which is hugely being used in the stamping and coil processing industry. And secondly, we have machines for cylindrical cell single side welding, which is again the first kind, one of a kind machine built in India. Plus, we have also cylindrical this tire laser cleaning machines, which are used to clean the inner liner of tires. So all these machines are we have given a special focus because we are the only company to have built such kind of machine in India for the first time. And other than that, all of us know that 90% of the revenue for light mechanics is towards laser welding systems. And currently we are targeting automotive sector, e-mobility, batteries, and powertrains. So basically, we have displayed a lot of components with similar and dissimilar metal combinations, copper, aluminium, nickel, all kinds of components and with varying thicknesses, which are hugely being used in the battery industry. Also, we have displayed a lot of prismatic cells, cylindrical cells, and pouch cell welding applications. So this is the e-mobility domain or the automotive domain is what we are focusing in text this year. So basically, as I said, we have come up with laser cross welder, single side, cylindrical single side welding machine, and these tire inner liner cleaners. So currently, we are building this machine in India, and we are thinking of exports by next year because this market is huge and a very untouched market in the world as of now. Not many players are into such kind of customized solutions. So we are targeting exports also. In addition to domestic market, we'll also target for exports. So at Light Mechanics, we have our own fabrication unit, which is based in Bangalore, Nelmangala. So all the machine enclosure, the sheet metal work, or the assembly, everything happens in-house. So we totally work under Make in India initiative, and the lasers and all, we use very high-end lasers for specially made for e-mobility application. So you get a one-stop solution at Light Mechanics from your sheet metal cutting to the final assembled machinery with very high-end vision systems, seam tracking systems, very high-end inline weld monitoring systems, which we have displayed, which is very important for having good quality and strong welds. Right. So here what you see is, seam tracking. So wherever there is an irregular seam, we have very high-end vision system which can trace the seam and change the position of the weld as per the seam, the direction of the seam. Otherwise, lasers, it basically gives eyes to your laser welding systems where actually to weld. And even many a times, when we go for high level of manufacturing and there are multiple number of components to be welded, we see that every component is not very standard component. They will definitely have some kind of variation. So there will be some offset in x and y coordinates. So in that case also our vision will be able to check the x and y coordinates and adjust the weld as per the shift in the coordinates. So it is like giving eyes to your laser welding systems. And plus we also integrate our welding machines with inline weld monitoring system. So basically the idea here is to give a feedback on what is the weld penetration that has been achieved at each and every weld joint. So when you talk about laser welding systems, we have all the process monitoring or inline weld monitoring systems to ensure that we give the highest level of automation and the highest level of technology required as smart manufacturing in the laser welding system. Along with the EV and powertrains, we are also doing battery assembly lines, which requires huge customization, robotic welding customization, gantry-based systems, rotary indexer kind of systems. So we do nearly all kind of laser welding applications as of now with smart features.